Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we finally get to look at the October Ipsy Glam bag. Now before we get started, I'm going to show you the bag from October 2018 and compare it to this year's bag. See which one you like better. And then we'll start talking about the new bag. But before we get started, y'all, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now to read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Beauty and More by Ariel Ray. I believe that's what that says. Ariel says, hello, pretty lady. Hope you're doing awesome. Love you. So proud of you and your growth on your channel. Well, Ariel, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And I really appreciate you taking the time to turn your bell on and comment and watch my videos. I love you so, so much. Now, guys, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from that video. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, just leave a comment on this video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now let's jump into this bag, y'all. So first we get a good look at the October Ipsy bag, and it's got Betty Boop on it. I'm starting to wonder about Ipsy. I don't know what's going on at the Ipsy headquarters or who designed this bag, but there better be some Betty Boop inspired makeup in there. Guys, let's look at the 2018 October bag next to this one. Now, if y'all remember this one, this was the red bag with a masquerade ball mask or whatever that thing is, and it was embedded in the bag. Now, comment below which one you guys like better, and tell me what you think of this year's bag, and if there should be some Betty Boop inspired makeup, because I really do think there should be. Now, if they reveal any more spoilers, of course, you know I'm going to keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to check them out. Now to read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Laura Haynes. Laura says, I get messages all the time wanting me to be an affiliate. Well, Laura, oh my Lord, honey, that's a whole different story. And that's a whole different video, but I get the same stuff. And Laura, I really appreciate it so much that you took the time to comment and watch my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now, guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then what I want you to do is rate the video. Give it a thumbs up. That thumbs down button, it quit working a long time ago. Don't even mess with that thing. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. If you would, go ahead and make sure your notification bell is turned to on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.